What's going on, everybody? Got another unboxing video here. I got the Canik TTI Combat. This is Canik's partnering with Terran Tactical. This is actually my first Canik, so I bought into the hype. You know, I always wanted a firearm, Terran Tactical, but didn't want to pay the $4 or $5 Combat Master stuff. So Canik was the closest thing I can do because I got my YouTube. Nobody sends me guns for free. I gotta buy them with my own money. But this baby, when I saw it at the gun store, I said I had to get it. So it's an unboxing. I want to show you. First off, I think I paid about $900 for it, which is really good. And I think I got military discount, so I paid like 8 something. I know they go for about 1,000, sometimes $1,100, but check this out. So, a couple cool things I want to show you is this. Check that out. TTI Combat, signed by Terran Butler. Got your paperwork. I love that the foam is cut out. I love it. Usually, nowadays you're buying $1,000 pistol and they give it to you in a cardboard box or a little quick bag. But the fact that Canik so far has me really impressed. I mean, you got a hard case, and look at all the stuff it comes with. I mean, it has cutouts for different back straps. I believe here you have little tools, optic plates. I mean, you have an optic plate for literally every type of footprint. This little thing is probably the coolest thing that I like. I mean, this is it's like a little torque wrench, and you have all the bits inside of the pistol. You got a regular flush fit mag. By the way, it's been a pain in the butt to find a spare mags for this. You know, you got an 18 round mag. You have the cutout to put another mag in here. You have the cutout here to put an optic on it. So I'll probably be putting the SRO. But I kind of see everybody putting an SRO, so I'm thinking about doing the RCR by Trijicon to get that enclosed emitter. And look at this beauty. I'm normally a fan of black on black firearms, but this is like a coyote brown kind of bronze color. It really stood out to me. So let's clear it. I did have it loaded. Round's clear. All right. So a couple things. The grip is a little aggressive, especially in the back. It's pretty aggressive, but it's not overly aggressive where it's gonna peel your skin at the range. You got the mag release on this side. Nice and smooth. Got your square trigger guard. Flat trigger safety. I like honestly, the trigger is really crisp. Really crisp. I don't like those mushy triggers, but this is really crisp. You see that? Obviously the gun's not gonna fire if you don't pull the trigger safety, but that's how much take up you have before you hit a wall. Right there. That's the reset. Take up, the wall's right there. Got a little stippling here to put your thumb, your slide lock lever. Yeah, super smooth. Got your night sight. And it's compensated. The barrel's compensated. Slide fluted barrel. So got an island comp, fluted barrel, night sight, optic cut. Like I said, it comes with pretty much every optic plate you're gonna need. RMR, RMSC. You know, I like the sights. Perfect for me. Kind of a U-notch sight in the back. Canik TTI logo. So, like I said, you got an 18 round mag. The extended mag, it doesn't tell you the total because obviously this is an extended base plate. So you have 18, I'm guessing, plus 3. Probably 20. Yeah, pretty much it's a 21 round mag. You could take this foam out. And look, more goodies. I mean, what gun company is giving you holsters? You got this nice Kydex out of the waistband holster. I don't open carry, but I guess if I did, this would be a nice holster. You got a speed loader. I'm trying to get this out. Got your tool. You got some cleaning. Some cleaning supplies. This looks like another recoil. Yeah, comes with a recoil spring. Nice. Cutouts for other things here. If you wanted to put some other stuff. And a Canik firearms. Like a coin. So I'm sure once you get whatever goes in here, tool, so a cutout for some kind of box or card or something. You got that. You got this optic plate, more tools. You got different back straps. Sorry, hold on, it's kind of stiff in there. See if you wanted to put a thicker or thinner back strap. You don't like it, you can modify it. And just look at this. Look how beautiful this gun is. And it shoots good. So at the end of this, I'm going to show you. I shot it real quick. I didn't have a whole lot of time to sit there and shoot it for too long. I think I shot like 200 rounds. No malfunctions. I didn't have any issues. Shot pretty flat. Shot good. Zero complaints. So, look at that. I mean, to get all these things for about close to $1,000. I ain't gonna say no names, but there's other brands that'll do that, and they won't give you nothing. Give you one mag, or some don't even give you. I mean, don't give you anything. Not even a lock, even though I don't use that lock. But that's what it comes with. So that's the unboxing of the Canik TTI. If you want to see more videos, more unboxings, maybe more me shooting it, write in the comments. All right, guys, see you on the next one.